And the winner is Elle Wilson.
Wow. It's amazing. But this award really isn't for me. It's for every beauty professional committed and dedicated to upholding the values, the ethics and standards that make our industry meaningful. When I was a teenager and my father heard that I was going to go and do beauty therapy, he actually said, "You're going to go and cut old ladies' toenails?" I can laugh at that now. I know he was really wanting me to, in his own mind, do more, be a lawyer or a doctor. But what I'd like to say to every young woman who wishes to walk the path of a beauty therapist, you're not less than that. In fact, you impact the lives of others every single day. And only when we embrace this, understand the value we add to the lives of other women and men, will we make better educational choices. Only then can we promise inwardly to ourselves to never stop learning and put our clients' best interests first, stepping away from quick fixes and trends that are of another world. We aren't online marketers or department store consultants. We are the front line, and even though YouTube, Instagram, even Facebook are trying to sort of step into our shoes, we must stick together and continue to provide the women who trust us and look to us as their beauty experts to always rise to meet their needs, never to exploit them, to honour them with deep research and understanding, and offer them real, authentic solutions to their beauty needs. In this way, we give them back their dignity. If by accepting this award I can be of value to other educators, an example of how profound values, love, kindness can educate, how seeing the potential in others, even when they can't even get to see it in themselves as yet, this creates profound change. This allows them to become masters and extend this to those they service. Then I'll be deeply moved. I hope that made sense. It may not have, but I think you get my gist. Often we tend to thank our supporters and our mentors, and we forget the doubters. We forget those who judged us, even those who take from us when things don't belong to them. But tonight I want to thank every single person that has added to my learning, my evolution as an educator, as a woman, each of them offering me an opportunity to dig deeper, change, become better. However, most of all, I wish to thank my amazing business partner. I want him to stand up, I really do, and my absolute, the love of my life, my husband. You should be up here with me. I don't know what you're doing down there. I want to thank Kira Grant, my incredible, the greatest executive assistant in the world. I would like to thank my son Yanni for his belief in me. Our children, they're so important. His belief in me, it's just been outstanding. My beautiful Olivia for her faith and trust in me. And the countless of people we work with, you know who you are. But last, and of course not least, the salon owners who believe in me and continue to believe in our extraordinary education, who lean in and allow me to take them to places they never imagined they could go, creating such extraordinary beauty for women, changing their lives, and it's just amazing. They offer me each day the greatest gifts of trust, faith, and belief. Thank you everyone so much. Thank you.